What's going on, everybody? Balls here again. I picked some of these up off of eBay. You've probably seen these before. These are just kind of a distribution block of sorts. These are nice to have for hooking up small gauge wire. These things are not very big. To give you an idea, here's a pencil. Just kind of show you. Let me pop this cover off. These covers, they're not bad for what you're paying for. I just pop these off with the screwdriver and the cover comes up. I got these for hooking up and testing head units. So basically what I can end up doing is, instead of trying to test speakers and whatnot, just having bare wire and connecting, worry about them touching, I can hook up my speakers to one side and then end up hooking up my leads off my radio to the other side. So once again, here's what you're looking at. Pencil lead. They're kind of small. They're not really meant for anything massive and whatnot. So we'll go ahead and we'll open one of these up a little bit. And I'm trying to fit something like, we've got this regular kind of speaker wire here. As you can see, not very big. So most of your wiring harnesses that you would have are going to be about this size. I want to say this is probably about a 16 gauge wire. So I'll twist these wires together real quick. This is just going to be kind of a boring video, but it's just kind of an overview of how these are set up. Nothing fancy. They do the job. I got 5 of these. I think they were like $2 or something off of eBay. I'm not one to really want to have to wait for the slow boat from China to come over and ship. So we've got our wire. We'll just put in here. And we will tighten it down. It's in there pretty good. Then we would just take the other end of the wire and we would hook it up here. So like I said, I just bought these to use for testing out CD players and checking their speaker terminals and whatnot. They're not that great a quality, I guess. You know, like I said, they're not bad for like $2 for getting the 5 of them. One thing that I was kind of disappointed about those is that they are not very big. I thought that they would end up being a little bit bigger than what this is, but they'll serve their purpose and they'll work. I ended up getting the couple extra ones. I figured with a CD player, you've got left channel, right channel, rear, front. So each one of these will do, there's a front channel and then a rear channel. I can just leave them hooked up and go that route on my test board, test bench. So anyway, like I said, pretty boring video today, but just kind of break up the monotony and just kind of show some of the littler, smaller things that make the job easier, you know. So have a good one, guys.